A massive JazzakAllahu khayr to Ustadh Abu Taymiyyah for speaking about this matter, the matter of where mothers are taking their children away from their fathers, using the court system, making it intense, just amplifying the hardship when a father just wants to simply see his child. Subhanallah, when the father hasn't done nothing wrong to the child. Yes, there's trivial matters between husband and wives, or husband and ex-partners, or vice versa, that are of course sad. Marriage do break, but to weaponize a child against the father is unacceptable, and that is something that is not taken lightly in front of Allah SWT. So a big shout out to you, Sheikh Ustadh Abu Taymiyyah, for speaking about this matter. A lot of brothers are going through serious mental health problems because of this, and we need to address this matter. We need to make it big, and we need to help those brothers and sisters who are going through this, and we also need to help the brothers and sisters who are doing this act of oppression. Now my direct, I'm going to address it to those who are committing this act. Allah SWT is watching you. Allah SWT understands your frustration, but Allah SWT wouldn't give you a pass for doing what you do. And to all the family members who are facilitating this, you are not far away from the punishment, because if you are facilitating this serious act of oppression where you're ruining kinship, you're part of it, and you will have to answer to Allah SWT. May Allah make it easy on those fathers who are going through this. It's not easy. I can only advise you to have strength by having patience, like Yusuf alayhi did and Yaqub alayhi did, correlating yourself with Surah Yusuf a lot, because that is the same surah where two loved ones were separated from each other for many years, and that can be like a hope for you to cling on to. Unfortunately, for a lot of fathers out there, you might have your child return back to you tomorrow, or you might have your child return back to you many years later. And sadly, what that insists is of you'll find it difficult to readjust to the child, because the child left you or was taken away from you when you had a specific relationship with your child. For example, the laughter you used to share with one another was quite unique and profound, and as every father does, they have a unique bond with their children. And when your child does return back to you, a big ask is you understand that your child is no longer that child that you left. They're very different now, and that is a hard thing to readjust, because you're trying to start off from where you left, but that no longer exists. So try to accept that, and when you do get united with your loved ones, be calm about it and take a step back and try to understand the child that's returned back to you, who they are, because as much as you miss them, they really need you, and they need you to understand who they are. Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone's well. To my beloved brothers and sisters, I'll be releasing more videos to support you, inshallah, and Allah make it easy on you.